Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Today we are here for the first wig of the new year. Yes, I've had this unit for a while, but I have taken a break from recording, so I've been holding out on y'all. But it's time that I introduce y'all to my new friend. Is y'all ready? Bam! Right here, we have Bobbi Boss Lace Front Premium Synthetic Wig in Lyna. Okay? I don't know if that's her name for real. The last video was like an epic fail. I was saying the wrong name the whole video. But I love y'all and I appreciate y'all so much for not coming for me like, girl, that's not the name of the wig. Y'all know we not perfect on this channel. I mess up. I do wrong. That was my boo-boo. That was my bad. But I thank y'all for supporting me anyway. So let's go ahead and jump into Miss Lyna. I hope that's the right name. Lyna don't want to come out the box. You better bring your tail out this box. Girl, I'm trying to put you on my head, child. I'm trying to slay this wig. So here we have the stock card. This is the stock card. And Lyna is like a bob. She's a blunt bob. And here she is. This is Lyna. This hair feels great, y'all. We have some lace in the front. Y'all see that? We got a part. Y'all know I don't know nothing about this. But we trying different things, you know. Okay, on the inside, it is 2 combs in the front. 2 combs in the front. And one in the back. And adjustable straps. Here's the part. This is my first time cutting lace off a wig. So wish me luck, y'all. And I don't know as of yet if I'm going to use my wig grip or not. I got to see how it lay. But yes, let's go ahead and try her on. Okay, y'all, believe it or not, I like this. What? You said something? Girl, maybe I shouldn't have put no lip gloss on because it's sticking to my lips, but girl, yes. Oh, and I know it'll be a lot flatter. I got some 2-strand twists in my head, so don't pay no mind if you can see the bulkiness. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but y'all get into this wig. Y'all, I am just one of them days that a girl goes through. Like, I'm feeling like 90 vibes in here. Like, kick off your shoes and relax your feet. Party on down to the escape. We just kicking. Yo, like, y'all, I love this. Let me turn around so y'all can get a picture of the back. Get a picture. Look at me, so hyped, can't even get the words out. Get a look at the back. So the next part up is cutting the lace. Y'all know I don't know nothing about cutting no lace. Like, I wish that it didn't come with lace because I feel like I'm gonna mess it up. But wish me luck. But y'all, this hair feels bomb. Let's see if we get some shedding. Ooh. Yo, this wig is bomb. Yo. And y'all know I got y'all. The link to this wig will be listed down in the description box. And I don't think I will be returning this. Like, yo, I'm ready to kill the selfie game with this. Like, all right, we about to cut the lace off the wig. I hope I don't mess it up. Lord Jesus, help me now. Let me go watch a YouTube video right quick. And I'll be right back. Okay, I went ahead and cut it. I cut it as best as I could. I'm gonna take some powder. I'm gonna take some of my pressed foundation powder, and I'm gonna put it on the inside of the wig. And I have 2-strand twists in my head, so it's kind of bulky at the top. I didn't flat twist my head today. I didn't feel like it. But this wig is everything, y'all. Like, seriously, look at this wig. Like, come on now. But let me try to pin my twist down a little bit and see if I can get a little bit flatter. Okay, y'all, and I'm back. I went ahead and pinned my twist down a little bit, and it's laying a lot more flatter. But y'all, I have 0 complaints about this wig. I am keeping this wig. And make sure you're following me on Instagram at 4C_Nisey, Nisey, because I'm about to kill the selfie game with this wig. Y'all, this wig is bomb. And I want to go buy another one, and I don't even need another one right now. But this has definitely changed the wig game for me. I mean, I love my curly units and all, but I feel like I never was going to like a straight unit because I don't really like straight hair, long hair, all that. But y'all, this is, you better go buy this wig and like send me a picture to show me how flawless you look, because this wig is everything. Do you hear me? Everything. Y'all know I keep it real with y'all. I did experience a little bit of tangling at the bottom, but I do have a thin comb. I mean, fine tooth comb, combing it out because I can't find my wig brush. But y'all, this is bomb. Like, all I did was cut the lace and I put some powder on, and it's good to go. This looks like it's coming from my scalp. Okay, drop a comment down below, y'all. Let me know what you think of this wig. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Okay, if you like this wig, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. All right, I think we starting off the new year great. We slaying in these wigs, honey. Like, yes, I'm gonna keep bringing y'all these wigs, and we just gonna shine all 2019. Okay, we just gonna prosper. We're gonna be great. We're gonna be successful. Like, I'm here. Like, we in this together, okay? If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below, okay? Because I know you see it. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.